In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Sites navigation bar. If you want to adjust the way visitors move through your site, changing the navigation layout is a simple but important update. In Google Sites, the navigation bar can affect how clean, organized, and easy to use your website feels. So this is a great setting to know. To begin, open your Google site and make sure you're in the editing view for the site you want to update. This is where you'll be able to make design changes and control the layout of your navigation. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct site before moving on, especially if you manage more than one. Once your site is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Google Sites keeps several site-wide options, including navigation settings. If you don't immediately notice a change on the page, that's normal. Clicking this icon opens the panel where you can control how your site behaves and appears. Inside the settings area, look for the option labeled Mode. Next to it, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open the drop-down menu. This drop-down lets you choose the style of navigation your site uses. It's a quick setting, but it can make a noticeable difference in the overall layout and user experience. When the drop-down appears, click on Side. Selecting Side changes the navigation bar from its current layout to a side navigation style. This means your site's navigation links will be displayed along the side instead of across the top. For some websites, especially ones with several pages or sections, this can make navigation feel more structured and easier to browse. After selecting Side, your site should reflect the new navigation style in the editor. It's a good idea to quickly review the page and make sure the new layout fits your content well. Side navigation can be especially useful if you want a more spacious top area or a clearer menu structure for visitors. And that's it. That's how you change a Google Sites navigation bar. It only takes a few clicks, but it can have a big impact on how your site looks and how people move through it. If you're customizing your site's layout, this is one of the easiest ways to improve usability and presentation.